Moisey, if I do a load of crunches, will it get the fat off my stomach? Sadly, my friends, it is a myth. Crunches will not drop fat off your stomach, squats will not drop fat off your legs, and push-ups will not drop fat off your bingo wings. Essentially, when you place yourself in a calorie deficit, which as you should hopefully now know from my other videos is the fundamental of fat loss, your body will choose where to take that fat from. Of course, the larger the calorie deficit, then the quicker you lose body fat. However, there are a few variables in play. As mentioned before, you have to have your protein nice and high, otherwise it's going to start tapping into muscle tissue and you're not going to look more defined, you're just going to look more wobbly. Also, something to consider is that your body will take it from where it wants to take it. You have a genetic predisposition to fat loss, your body will have an inclination to remove fat first from certain places. For example, with me, I tend to drop a lot of fat up here first before it goes anywhere near my stomach. It takes a long time in a calorie deficit for me to actually be able to see any abs. A lot of guys I know are exactly the same way, and a lot of girls I know are exactly the same way too. The only way to drop fat off of the areas that you really want to get rid of, which, you know, is usually your stomach, is a long period of time in a calorie deficit and patience. There is no such thing as spot reduction. You can't remove fat from your love handles by doing this, and you can't remove fat from your legs by doing this. Hopefully that helps, folks, and I'll see you on the next